What's up my stylish people, this is Isham. Welcome back to the channel. You guys have asked me a lot to do a video on Levi's. Yes, I haven't covered jeans when it comes to Levi's for this video, but I got you guys covered in this video with the 6 t-shirts from Levi's in specific for the summers. And best part in this haul would be the price points, because all of the t-shirts you can get under 700 rupees. But a quick disclaimer, the prices may vary depending on when you're shopping during the sale time, and the same can be applied for the availability as well. Even though the colors which you're gonna see in this video, few of the colors, they are the neutral color options, but these t-shirts are not going to be the versatile options. If you're searching for versatile options, first do invest in the basic solid color crew neck as well as v-neck t-shirts. It has started in 2020, but right now the trend in 2021 is all about half sleeve or full sleeve t-shirts, going with a solid color half sleeve option. And then at the center of the t-shirt, either it would be a square or rectangle or circle. In between, a subtler print or a print that have the specific collaboration for that particular brand or a specific lineup for the particular season. In this video, bearing one exception, each and every piece check marks that particular trend. Without any further ado, I think let us start with one of my favorite option. It is a black color half sleeve Super Mario printed t-shirt from Levi's. This is priced at 1300 rupees, but however, I got this at a 60% off, I think so, which bring down the price point somewhere to 550 to 600. To start with, I got this in a size of medium, and it is a slim fit t-shirt. If I have to say, this fits the best among all the t-shirts which you are gonna see in this Levi's t-shirt haul. It fits snug at the arms area. The length of the sleeves also ends perfectly just above the tricep area, and also at the chest area it fits well. And when it comes to the print, I already mentioned that right now the trend is all about having a print at the center. Here we have the Super Mario print at the center with the Levi's logo. And red and black is one of my favorite color combination. In case if you guys don't know, the pop of the red color with the deep blacks, that contrast really plays well. And here we have the greens and whites as well. Moving on to the t-shirt number 2, it is a sky blue half sleeve t-shirt from Levi's, which I got it in a size of medium. It is a loose fit. Even though it's mentioned as a regular fit t-shirt, I feel that it is a loose fit. And this have this print in this rectangular shape at the back side of the t-shirt, not on the front side of the t-shirt. It is a 100% cotton t-shirt, and I love how stretchy it is. What exactly I liked, apart from the color combination of the sky blue with the yellow color on the back side, one, at the front side, how subtle it is with the Levi Strauss just written in the white color. They have this tree prints on top of that yellow color, and it's written California. Even though this t-shirt, actually it's written it is made in India, but it's written California when it comes to the prints. Of course, we have to deal with that. But however, I like the color. I'm not a big fan of how it fits because it's a loose fit t-shirt. I went true to size. In case if you want a better fit, I think you will be good to go if you size down. You are good to go when it comes to the base color of the t-shirt, which is the pastel blue color, and also the prints in this pop color of yellow as well as orange. Moving on to the t-shirt number 3, and you guys know that mustard color is one of my favorite color. And coming to the t-shirt number 3, it is a half sleeves mustard printed t-shirt from Levi's, which is priced at 1300, and I got this in a size of medium. It is a slim fit t-shirt, and it fits exactly like the t-shirt number 1. It fits really well, and mustard color, as I mentioned, it's one of my favorite. And what I liked exactly, if you guys can see here, it's mentioned as imagination or obsession. But apart from that, I liked really that ice cream print here for this t-shirt. That's what, you're not going too bold when it comes to full graphic printed t-shirts, something like that. That's a big no-no, because these are the type of prints which are actually trending in 2021, and these are little more versatile when it comes to the full printed t-shirts or a full graphic t-shirts. This t-shirt is also having stretch to it. This is priced at 1300 rupees, and I got this at a price point of 600 rupees. For 600 rupees, I dig this color, and also the ice cream cone as the print with the color combination of the green for that. Moving on to the t-shirt number 4, and my least favorite from this complete haul. This is a half sleeve printed t-shirt from Levi's, which I got it in a size of medium. And the weird part, this is priced at 2200, which is actually priced higher than any of these offerings or any of the pieces which I have in this haul, but still it is my least favorite because of few reasons. Before going into that, let's see what exactly this print is of. Actually, this is a collab, Levi's into Stranger Things. Netflix, it has been mentioned. I'm not sure whether it may be a series. I think I heard that name somewhere when it comes to series. I'm not sure. Please do correct me or do let me know in the comment section in case if you guys are aware about that. But when it comes to this t-shirt, actually I like the color combinations of the prints they have gone for. It's not completely a pitch black color. It is having a slight tint or shade of blue to it, and with this thunderstorm kind of a prints to it, and even that print color they have gone with this maroonish mauve color. The color combinations what they have gone for and how it looks overall at a glance, I liked it, but I'm not a big fan of how the Levi's logo has been printed on the red color on top of the maroon mauve overall prints. I'm not a big fan of that because it is not distinctive and it overall spoils the look of this t-shirt and also the fit of the t-shirt. I went true to size with the size medium. Even though it's mentioned as a regular fit, this t-shirt, I think it's an oversized t-shirt, so the sleeves tend to flare up. That is an important point you have to consider if you're going for this t-shirt. I like the prints, but I don't like the fit and also the Levi's logo for this t-shirt. Moving on to the t-shirt number 5, and it is a color block t-shirt. Color block pieces are something which I covered on my channel previously as well. In case if you're not aware, there are no certain rules to what colors you have to pick and how many colors you have to pick. But in case if you have to look good when it comes to color block clothing, make sure that you stick to 2 to 3, if possible stick to 2 colors, and make sure that there is not too much of contrast. But sometimes it works, just like this t-shirt, and here I went with 3 color combinations. Even the third color combination is like subtle. This is priced at 1300 rupees and I got this at a price point of 550 to 600 rupees. Not too pricey, I think, for a color block t-shirt, and that too with the comfort you get with this 100% cotton option, and it is a slim fit t-shirt, it is not a regular fit, so it fits well. I like the contrast of the darkish blue with this red color, and also in between they have this neutral color as the white with the Levi's branding with the black color stitches. Even though if given a chance, I would have preferred this t-shirt to be in this red as well as the white color combination, but I feel why they have gone with the blue color in order to decrease the contrast between the white and red. Overall, I like how it fits, and also backside, if you can see, this is a total red t-shirt. Moving on to the t-shirt number 6 and the last t-shirt for this video, and I kept the best for the last, even though not the best in terms of the fitting but in terms of the color. Do you think so? I will wrap up a haul video and in specific for the t-shirt without a white t-shirt included in my hauls. Here you go. This is a white color printed half sleeves t-shirt from Levi's, which I got it in a size of medium. When it comes to pricing, it stays the same, and also I got this at a price point of 550 rupees. What exactly I liked before going into the disqualifier? One, being a 100% cotton t-shirt, even though they didn't mention any elastin composition whether it have or not, but it is like very stretchy, guys. And number 2, the prints. I like the color combination of the prints at the center of this t-shirt, guys. With the greens, with the pink color, it's a proper summer t-shirt with the subtleness of the white. So what exactly I didn't like when it comes to this t-shirt? The fitting seems fine, not great, not too bad. It's fine. But when it comes to sleeves area, the sleeves tend to flare up. That is it, guys. I think few of you guys are happy that I covered Levi's on my channel, and particularly everything is on budget. Each and every t-shirt you have seen in this video is under 700 rupees. That too summer t-shirts right for this season. That's it from me. See you guys next time.